registration, which included the UK's national driving.
I've got a Subaru to get once this thing's got out of the way. Today's oddball find. Now, I always wanted a radio controlled one of these, Subaru Brat, when I was younger. Yeah, there's a fair few bits missing. Hey Toad, what is it? Subaru. Funny looking Subaru thing. Not been on the road since '08. So that'll be quite crunchy. She's on. Subaru Brat Tobe. When I was a kid, a radio controlled one of those in red was the best thing you could ever have. I never actually had one because they're quite expensive. But there it is. And it's not worth doing anything with apart from just wedging the bits back on and sticking it on a wall somewhere. I mean, I don't think it's worth messing around with. There's not enough of it. But we could put it back together again and just make it look like a radio controlled car. I always wanted to put an aerial in the back and keep it in the corner somewhere. That's the plan. I'm just tacking it back together so it looks like the RC car I wanted back in the day. I might just paint this red, fill it up a bit and just put it back together again and have it as my radio control car I never had, but full size. I took the engine out properly and labelled everything up. It went into a Volkswagen, I think, this whole setup. The back axle's there, the prop shaft's there. I mean, it could be done. I'm never ever going to do it, obviously, but I don't know. I've got the tailgate on it, back bumpers. I've done it. I've glued it all back together again. It kind of looks like it should do. Now, if I just do the front wings and paint it red, that will be the radio controlled car I always wanted. But full size. So, found all the bits and pieces, put the chromey bits on, the bumpers, the lights, the surrounds. Got the interior, most importantly the front end. I'll fix those wings up with a bit of welding and a bit of filler. But yeah, that will be the Subaru Brat I always wanted. Oh, what's the reg on it? Can't quite see from there. I found a steering wheel in the workshop, put the interior back together, I'll whack a seat in it and yeah, that might be maybe get a caravan mover on it or something on one of the wheels so we can move it about a bit better. But yes, we now have a Subaru Brat of a fashion. Well, it looks better than it did an hour ago anyway. Whack a bit of red paint on it, bit of fill around the front. Radio controlled car. Happy days.